Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide you a tutorial on how to turn off alarm on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, alarms can be disruptive in quiet or sensitive environments, such as during meetings, classes, or at the theater. Turning off your alarms prevent unwanted disruption to others. So, let's go to the tutorial. First thing you have to do is please open the clock application on your device. Then select the alarm section. Well, here you can turn off the active alarm by pressing this button. Then you can also delete it by pressing the three dots here. Then select edit and choose the alarm you want to delete. So tap the delete option here. Okay, now the alarm on your device was successfully turned off or deleted. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to turn off the alarm on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.